My name is Jamie Clemens. I'm with View Studios, and we are partnered here with Sony at InfoComm. We're helping them in their virtual production section by using our media server, View Studio. It's a really easy application, the every person software for loading, clicking content. So essentially, we like to say you can cast, control, and create content at a push of a button. Yeah, you can see here it's on the wall. Very simple sliders to change whatever aspect of the image you want to do. It all makes it look right on the wall. We have lighting control, so we have intelligent lighting built in for pixel mapping, so we can go from one scene to the next and the whole set changes. Moreover, you can program your cameras in here, see your talent. So now if you are just an individual user, you can now do virtual production and production all by yourself. Lastly, using our intelligent AI system, we can even edit software or edit images in here, whether they're AI, whether they're video, whether they're real photography, using built-in AI, or we just create from scratch, create from new. All really simple to use. And it's a web-based application, so now you can even drive a wall off of your phone. It's super easy, the Every Person's Virtual Production Software by View Studio.